कर रहा है, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है। पैसे मिले हैं क्या? कर रहा है। एक्शन कैमरा।
थोड़ा पीछे यहाँ पे आओ एटलीस्ट। हाँ वेरी गुड।
एक्शन कैमरा रोल।
उल्टा बोला बट चला चलेगा। हाँ कोई बात।
ये हॉलीवुड है, बॉलीवुड थोड़ी है।
ये एफ्टीवुड है। कल करेंगे।
अरे तुझे तो मांग रहा था भाई।
वो ये कर रहा है।
नहीं यार, इसको करना दो। इसको कर तू कर प्लीज।
मैं प्रैक्टिस में अलग से करके दिखाऊंगा ना आपको
यार। अभी करता ना तो मजा आ जाता है।
मैं कर दूं, बेचारे की प्रेजेंटेशन खराब हो
नहीं होगी, नहीं होगी।
अरे रहने।
अरे यार
प्री डिसाइड हो गया अभी, रहना दो।
चल मैं प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद कराऊंगा अभी।
हेलो गाइस, आई एम योर डायरेक्टर। बाकी एक अपना चिल्ला जिनका देखो।
ले लो, सस्ते में इमोशन ले लो, हमारे इमोशन ले लो। और लुटिया 35 पिटिया 35 और सेक्शन 35 रुपए, केयर 50 रुपए, लव 100 रुपए। किसको सस्ता पानी मिलेगा भाई साहब? रस्ते का माल सस्ते में। आओ भाई इमोशन ले लो। अरे भाई ये तो एक काम करो, एक मिनट। What is this? Money. Is it hard to identify?
Money.
Maya. Money. Note. Rupya. Paisa. Ropda. Maya. And so on. God has different names. Money too has different names. That is why we say, पैसा खुदा तो नहीं, पर खुदा से कम भी नहीं. Friends, can anyone tell me why I compare this money to God? Can anyone tell me? Let me tell you. Friends, because God can do impossible things, and this can also do as well. Now friends, today I am going to tell you a true story of my life. When I was in 6th standard, I wrote my first love letter 10 times and tore it each time. Finally, after consulting 5 books on love quotations, a few of Shakespeare classics, and 10 more torn letters, I managed to arrive at a final draft. Final draft, which I thought I would dare to give her. But as I entered the 7th standard, I got to know about my neighborhood shop which sold a few greeting cards. So I went to the shop, picked up a card and attached it to the letter, which was the fruit of my hard work. But as I entered the 8th standard, I again got to know about a company called Archie's. I went to its shop and I was amazed to see that I had an option of more than 20 cards which expressed love better than I could have ever done in my life. Often I would take more than one card. But as I entered the 9th standard, there was a sudden change. I saw that these shops were full of young boys and young girls who were picking up dozens of cards at one go. The letter concept went missing. They were just giving the cards. Friends, I saw my peers picking up 5 to 6 cards at one go, in one envelope, in their hope to get and experience love. If in case someone wanted to express his innermost feelings on a piece of paper, there were card companies like Archie's which came and told you, "Stupid! We employ thousands of people in our factories to produce emotions for you. Why do you waste your time trying to do the same? Come over to our shops and buy cards. Oh sorry, buy emotions." Well friends, good evening.
Good evening.
It's full of excitement and little happiness. Good evening friends.
Good evening.
Good evening sir. Friends, you notice how in the factory, sold in the market, and of course, purchased by the customers. Emotions are no more feelings. They have now become consumer goods, commodities. Products bought with money are now a substitution for emotions. If you want to express your love towards your wife, you have to give her an 18-carat diamond ring. If you want to express your love towards your children, you have to give them loads of gifts. Isn't it, sir? Nobody can do it better than you. Friends, when a human being unable to draw out feelings from his heart, expressions of love and care, love loses its meaning. Relationships loses its value. Now friends, let me tell you a story. There was a man polishing his car when his 4-year-old son came and started scratching a few lines on the car by a stone. The man gets angry. The man gets furious. He hits the son's hand by a hammer. Child loses all the fingers. Child loses all the fingers. After a few days, child innocently asks to his father, "Dad, when will my fingers grow back?" The man was hurt. The man was speechless. He went back and kicked the car. And suddenly he saw something on the car. He committed suicide. Do you know what he saw on the car? Let me tell you. And he saw that that day the child scribbled and wrote on the car, "Love you, Dad." Friends, don't you think that things are loved instead of people, whereas people should be loved instead of things? Friends, let me give you one more example. When we were a child, our parents never thought for roti, kapda and makan for themselves. They just thought for love and care for us. And when we become an adult and they become a child, we think ourselves to be very great when we just pay for their roti, kapda and makan. And we think that paying for their roti, kapda and makan is love and care. Here again, the emotions are being easily replaced by money. In this world of Facebook, where we get hundreds of friend requests, it's very confusing to maintain a true relationship. Today, the essence of true love is instantly decided by emotional HR and X your X. It's very baffling to define what true love is. There was a time when lovers hardly talked to each other. There was a time when lovers hardly talked to each other, and yet they experienced eternal love. But now, today, we spend sleepless and countless nights talking and texting to each other, and yet end up with a breakup. And the closer we come, the farther we go. The closer we come, the farther we go. And now let me tell you a story to prove these famous statements. There was have you seen how a 2-year-old child on his birthday has his eyes fixed upon the birthday cake? And given a single opportunity, he pounces upon the cake and smudges it all over his face. The same child, at the age of 8, he cuts out a cake, goes to one corner of the house and eats it up. If by chance his sister comes and asks for a little bite, the child does a very interesting trick. The child does a very interesting thing. What do he do? He licks the cake and says, "Hello." The same child gets the cake at the age of 15. He cuts out a big piece and goes towards his sister. And he is your best friend standing next to her. Finally, as an adult, perhaps the president of a very large corporation, he spends time in ordering a 5-story large cake which is delivered on trolley. And though he cuts the cake, but doesn't seem interested in eating it or giving it to his secretary standing next to her. Friends, do you notice that there was something common between those Facebook statements and this cake story? And tell me what was common between them. Let me tell you. Friends, in the cake story, you notice that the size of cake is increasing every year, whereas our emotions, our feelings towards the cake is decreasing. Same is in the example of Facebook, where the number of friends are increasing every day, where our true relationship of friendship is changing every day. 21st century is full of reality shows with nothing real in it. Too many well-designed houses, yet the broken homes. Attractive and beautiful faces, yet darkest hearts. It's full of smart people, brilliant minds, ambitious diplomats, yet lack the common touch of humanity. One light message is far easier than personal presence on special occasions. We are all men and women, but by just wearing a being human t-shirt, we become a human. Do we? No. Friends, human beings have now become vending machines. Let me tell you how. Insert a coin, press a button, and comes out an emotion. Ready-made emotion. Isn't it interesting? Let me give you one more example of our so-called humanity by a few Hindi lines. एक रोटी कोई ना दे सका उस मासूम को, मगर वो तस्वीर लाखों में बिक गई जिसमें रोटी के बगैर वो मासूम उदास बैठा था. Is this what we call humanity? If this is what we call being human, we should be ashamed of being human. What do you think? It ends here. ना जी ना. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. हमने ना भगवान को भी नहीं छोड़ा. What we do? उनका भी खरीदा पिक्चर चालू है. Let me tell you how. There was a time when people had no money to devote to God, but they had lots of love and emotions and care for the God. But now are the days where people have lots of money to devote to God, but the feeling of emotions, love and care is nowhere. I mean, you can see the example of Shirdi Vaishno. These places have now become tourist places, where people go, devote money and come back. They go, devote money and come back. May I ask you a very simple question? Why do we devote money to God? Funda kya hai ye? Why do we devote money to God? Can anyone tell me? Let me tell you. Humans think that by giving him money, we can purchase from him emotions. Emotions like blessings. Emotions like happiness. Now friends, at last, I will not say anything. I will just pledge that I am not going to do such kind of vyapar of emotions in my life, and will also not like to do so. Wait, it doesn't have anything left. There's something left. Coming back here. Friends, this love, care, affection cannot be bought, cannot be sold. And if they can be, if this is what we call love, I don't want to get love ever in my life. If this is what we call affection, it will not affect me, friends. Yes, friends, it does not affect us. And last thing left. If this is what we call care, I don't care. Wait, it doesn't even end here. I want to show you something. Again, the same money. If this money is the root cause of all these problems, I want to end it right now. I want to end it right now. अरे चले कहाँ पैसे से इस दुनिया में क्या क्या तुम यहाँ खरीदोगे? दिल खरीदोगे या कि जान खरीदोगे? पैसे से क्या क्या तुम यहाँ खरीदोगे? दिल खरीदोगे या कि जान खरीदोगे? बाजारों में प्यार कहाँ बिकता है? दुकानों पे यार कहाँ बिकता है? बाजारों में प्यार कहाँ बिकता है? दुकानों पे यार कहाँ बिकता है? फूल बिक जाते हैं, खुशबू बिकती नहीं. फूल बिक जाते हैं, खुशबू बिकती नहीं. जिस्म बिक जाते हैं, रूह बिकती नहीं. फूल बिक जाते हैं, खुशबू बिकती नहीं. जिस्म बिक जाते हैं, रूह बिकती नहीं. चैन बिकता नहीं, ख्वाब बिकते नहीं. दिल के अरमान ये बेताब बिकते नहीं. अरे चले कहाँ पैसे से क्या क्या तुम यहाँ खरीदोगे? दिल खरीदोगे या कि जान खरीदोगे? इन हवाओं का मोल क्या दोगे? उन घटाओं का मोल क्या दोगे? इन हवाओं का मोल क्या दोगे? उन घटाओं का मोल क्या दोगे? अरे इन जमीनों का मोल हो शायद, पर उन आसमानों का मोल